In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a share funnel link in ClickFunnels. This is a really handy feature if you want to quickly give someone else a copy of one of your funnels without them having to rebuild anything from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to send the link so the other person can start using your funnel right away. First, go ahead and log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that sidebar, look for the option labeled Funnels. Click that, and ClickFunnels will load a page showing you a list of all the funnels currently in your account. Take a moment to locate the specific funnel you want to share. If you have a lot of funnels, you might find it helpful to use the search bar or scan through the list carefully to make sure you're selecting the correct one. When you find it, click on that funnel to open its main dashboard. Now that you're inside the funnel dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button or tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Instead of taking you to a completely different page, this will typically open a panel or pop-up window with various options and configurations for that funnel. In this settings area, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Don't worry if you see a lot of different options along the way, like domain settings or tracking codes. You can ignore those for now. Keep scrolling until you see an option that says something like Generate a funnel share link. Once you find that, click the button to generate the share link. After a moment, ClickFunnels will create a unique URL for that funnel. This is the special link that allows other people to add a copy of your funnel into their own ClickFunnels account. Next, highlight and copy the URL that appears. For best results, paste it somewhere safe first, like a document or note, just to be sure you've captured it correctly. When you're ready, send that link to the person or team who should receive the funnel. You can share it via email, chat, or any communication tool you prefer. And that's all you need to do to create a share funnel link in ClickFunnels.